Yo, what's up guys? So this will be my daily vlog, and the one I'm going to discuss right in front of you is kung ano yung naisulat ko sa journal last year. So July 2, 2022, last year, mga around 8 months ago. So nakalagay dito na a human life is an ongoing process that involves constantly changing physical body as well as enormous number of constantly changing thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. So sa na-journal ko is based to sa nabasa kong mga libro. And from there, I realized na yung human life pala is hindi constant, kundi nagbabago-bago. So yung life mo, wag mong i-expect na mahirap ka ngayon, bobo ka ngayon, huwag mong expect na ganun ka pa rin 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Walang ganun. Instead, sinabi dito na a human life is an constantly ongoing process. Lahat tayo nade-develop, lahat tayo nag-i-improve. So, nakalagay pa rin dito na therefore, your life is an evolving experience, a continual flow. Ang buhay mo, nagbabago-bago. In your life, you always develop. You are not a thing, and that's why negative labels such as worthless or inferior communicate nothing and mean nothing. Most of the time kasi, katulad ko, 6 years ago, di ko naman expect na magiging magaling ako sa school. Because I'm the type of guy na parang okay lang, go on with the flow lang. Hindi ako consistent. Kumbaga, call that, parang chill lang sa eskwela. Kasi ang naisip ko noon, ay hindi naman ako magaling, hindi naman ako matalino, hindi ako bright. So, why bother? 6 years ahead, or currently, na-realize ko na, ay, hindi pala yung totoo. Dapat pala noon, palang ginalingan ko na. E di sana wala akong regrets noon. Kasi, hindi ko naman dinidiscredit yung past ko, pero I'm very grateful for that experience. Pero sana, or kayo, sana wag nyong i-label ang sarili nyo. Wag kayo mag-label ng negative. Ayan. Ay, katulad nito, nagkasalita ko sa inyo, level 1 pa lang experience ko. Wala pa akong experience sa pagkasalita sa camera, wala pa akong experience sa pag-script, wala pa akong experience sa YouTube, sa social media, sa vlogging. But, I still try. Why? Because I want to gain experience. Gusto ko gumaling kaya magka-try ako. Hindi ka naman gagaling kung hindi ka magta-try, hindi ka practice. Who knows, maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, magiging magaling na ako magsalita. Mas nako-communicate ko na ang thoughts ko, mas nagiging more relatable na ako sa inyo. So, yan yung unang journal ko dito. Tapos, sa baba noon, may nakasulat na, there is no such thing in this universe as a worthless human being. Yes, lahat ng tao, hindi worthless. Kahit sabihin pa nating pilay yan, sabihin pa nating nakahiga lang yan, may worth pa rin yan. Maybe sa ibang tao may worth yan. Maybe sa skills niya may worth yan. Maybe sa experience niya, sa pwede niya may contribute. Lahat tayo may worth. Most of the time kasi, ang mga nililabel natin at sa ating definition ng ating mindset ng success is very different sa tunay talagang success. You know the real success? Being in the present moment, being grateful of what you have, and doing the best on what you're doing. That's the success. Kasi money, most sa mga nababasa ko, sinasabi nila na ang pera, kapag na-achieve mo, million man yan o billion man yan, baliwala yan. Parang may threshold ang happiness. Once na-reach mo na to, ganun yan, kahit million o billion yan, ang happiness mo, stuck na dyan. You see, there's no such thing as worthless human being. You have your worth. And maybe, di mo pa na-discover yung tunay mong worth. So, you must develop yourself. And the third one is very different so doon sa nauna kong sinabi na there's no, maybe next vlog na lang. Anyways, that's all because I want na ang kada video is parang isang thoughts lang. Yeah, that's all.